This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Deb LaSala-Lenard. First month free for qualified tenants. Welcome to Principia Garden Villas. This freshly updated, 3-bedroom, 1-bath home is waiting for you. The owner has installed all new appliances. New laminate flooring throughout with freshly cleaned carpets in the bedrooms for comfort. The bathroom features 2 separate sink and vanity areas, each with privacy doors for convenience. Laundry is indoors and there is an additional storage closet included on your own private screened lanai. Located less than 2 miles from FSW and conveniently close to RSW Airport, beautiful beaches, FGCU, great local dining and shopping. Rutenburg Park is right across the street, offering easy access to outdoor activities. Lawn service and outside pest control are provided by the association. Owner will pay for biannual deep cleaning and indoor pest control as needed. Available for immediate occupancy. For more information,